10 ways to create movement in a painting. A great painting isn't just about color and composition. It's about energy and flow. Movement in a painting guides the viewer's eye, creates rhythm, and brings life to your artwork. Whether you're capturing a flowing river, a gust of wind, or an action-packed scene, knowing how to create movement can make your painting feel dynamic and engaging. In this guide, we'll explore 10 powerful ways to add movement to your paintings and make them more visually exciting. 1. Use dynamic brushstrokes. Long, sweeping strokes create flowing motion, while short, energetic strokes add excitement. Experiment with different brush techniques to guide the viewer's eye. Incorporate diagonal lines. Horizontal and vertical lines feel static, but diagonal lines suggest movement and action. Using diagonal elements in composition adds a sense of direction and flow. 3. Blur edges and overlapping forms. Soft, blurred edges create a sense of motion, as seen in Impressionist paintings. Overlapping shapes suggest depth and movement, especially in figures and landscapes. Use sharp versus soft edges. Contrast is not just about color, it's also about edges. Sharp, crisp edges make an object stand out, while soft, blended edges create a dreamy or atmospheric effect. Combining both adds visual interest and depth. Experiment with texture contrast. Thick, impasto strokes against smooth, blended areas create a tactile contrast. Using a palette knife for rough textures and a soft brush for smooth transitions can add energy and movement to your work. 6. Depict repetition and rhythm. Repeating shapes, patterns, or brushstrokes can create a rhythmic flow. This technique is especially useful for painting waves, hair, wind, or rippling fabric. 7. Create a sense of direction with composition. Arrange elements to naturally guide the viewer's eye along a path. Curving roads, swirling clouds, or gestural marks lead the gaze and add a sense of movement. 8. Use contrast in sharp and soft focus. Sharp focus on the main subject and softer, blurred areas in the background create depth and motion, similar to how the human eye perceives movement in real life. 9. Depict figures in action. Instead of rigid, posed figures, show them mid-movement, running, jumping, or turning. Using exaggerated poses enhances the sense of action. Stick around till the end of the video to learn the art and discover all the tips and techniques that will take your painting skills to the next level.